I'm back, guys. Today's video is playing without me with Cherry. Hi, Cherry.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey.
It's not working, right?
She'll fix it, guys.
Close it.
There.
Close it.
Okay, fine. So we're back, guys. We're back. I'm only wearing sandal. Okay, don't mind. There. And play. I want to be a parent, not kirit, guys. Okay. Nope. No thanks. I don't have that much. What? Back again? I was supposed to get this. Hey. Close. Hi, guys. Gab. Look, guys, it's Gab. It's Gab.
Car.
No, okay?
Car.
Wait, I'm gonna go to Wings General and I'm gonna look for what. I like this. But here, whoa, no generals. What a fake. Nope. I'm gonna look for another hair. No. No, I think it's perfect already. So let's go hot snow things. Yep, here because we're gonna erase it.
God, that's so bad.
I know where's this from. It's from I forgot it. It's an anime.
Excuse.
How about hair?
Please.
Okay.
Please.
How about these? Oh, I like the dominoes.
Stop.
I just like these dominoes.
Stop.
Do I need something else? No.
Stop.
Let's go to shields. What's for this? Okay.
Just go.
I get it.
Wait.
I think nothing. No, time to go. This one. Ooh, no thanks.
I'm done.
Superhero. I like that. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay, time to play. Back.
What's your name?
My name? Okashawan. I'm gonna go outside. Go outside.
Wait, I'm just.
And let's go to friends. Then I'm gonna teleport to you, okay? I'm teleporting. Hi, Sheriff. I'm here inside of your house. I'm gonna create a family, okay?
Safe.
And invite you to my family. Okay, let's go to my place. Let's go to my house.
Huh? Go.
Come. Here's my house. No, not that one, guys. Yeah, it is. This is my sheriff.
Right now, you're standing in your house.
This one. Come on.
Calling. This is my own
Sheriff!
house. Why?
Sheriff, come!
Where are you?
Just teleport to me. Go to family, then go. Like that. To teleport. What are you doing?
I'm here.
This is my house. I changed my nickname. Look, so big. Can you see it? That's my house. Where did you go?
Puppy.
Hey, wait! I'm gonna trade with you! Where's the trade? Where was the trade? Hey, do not go outside yet! We're trading.
Arrow.
Where's the trade? I forgot where's the trade. Did you just go? The exact. I said trade! Can you see a trade? Do not feed the frost fairy, okay?
What?
I'm gonna trade with you.
I feed it.
When did you feed it? Now I'm looking gonna find that you. I'm gonna teleport to you. Go feed dragon, feed dragon,
Go.
dragon. I'm trying to go.
Why you like that?
There, I'm going. Here you are. Press the ice.
That.
There. Let's hurry. Dig, 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 dig. Let's get the very, very big score. The biggest score of all. Oh no, I got freeze.
Me too.
Oh no, come on, get up, get up. Oh, there. Don't go to the halls because that's the freezy one. That's the freeze thingy.
Oh, so
No, I almost got freeze. I almost jumped to the hall.
no.
My score is 450. Oh no, the biggest one. Oof. No, I'm gonna go to the dragon first, not you, Sheriff, or not this guy. Oh my, I just slipped. Look, I'm in the hole.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
Whee!
No. It.
Well,
Hey, sister.
Gab is on with Shawap. That's mine. Whack, pa. Wait, did you off your mic?
No.
No, in the meeting. You got rolled over! I almost got rolled over. Where are you? Where are you? Come. Ah! I got smashed by a ball. A big ball. Run. Ouch! I get smashed. Nice!
Team scored 3,000.
Invite family. I'm gonna invite this guy. Kyla event. Invite your family. Rainbow Cup is joining our family. Nope. Let's go to our house. Let's go.
Where?
It's here. The exit. Here. Whee! Let's trade.
Let's see.
I'm gonna give you the. What do you want? Jingo
Anything?
or cat?
Got. Okay. This one.
Dingo? That's the dingo.
Okay.
Come.
Done.
You can see me, dude. It's you need to conform.
I
Wait!
did it.
There, you're come. Open your pet. This is my pet.
Go. Go to Kuya na. Kuya, eat please. Eat please.
Ow!
This is the
Get your patty.
Um,
Wait for me. Open your bag. There.
wait.
Yum, yum, yum. Come, wait.
Wait, there's an arrow. What's it? I'll come here.
Wait, are you feeding something?
No? I'm feeding Gaga.
I'm strolling my doggy. He's 10 years old. Sheriff, what are you doing?
Wait.
Let's ride a vehicle. A bike. Never mind, you cannot ride. Hey, let's get this one. Here, ice here. Go here. You can get gingers. Free money, joke. We just get gingers.
Oh, God.
But I like to. But I like it. Oof, oof. I keep on bumping something. Do not bump the penguin because it's gonna be mad.
Ooh, I'm stuck.
Where are you?
Here, Dingo.
I can't see you.
How fix it? How fix it?
Where are you?
Right here.
I can't see you. Oh, coming.
No, I hate
Woo.
this. Yahoo!
Woohoo! I'm following. Don't bump in the penguins! I almost bumped a penguin. Ouch.
Oh, this is so boring.
Let's go. Let's go and adopt baby. Oh yeah, collect the what's this?
It's red?
Yeah. You need to collect it. Ouch. I bumped to a penguin. How about you? Did you bump into a penguin? Ah! The penguin almost bumped to me. Then I got 69 gingerbread. Now I got 1,053 gingerbread.
How to exit?
What exit? Go outside the ice.
What? I can't. I get.
What the? Can you get up? I hate this.
Itself.
I can't see anything.
Why?
My mouse is not.
Working.
Yeah. There.
Yes.
Now. What? Did you go out?
Yay.
It's easy to go out. Oof, I just bumped into a penguin again. I'm going to you. Woohoo! Here I am. Look, that one. Look. I wish I could ride that one. You cannot ride your pet. Let's go. How much is your money?
165?
No, stop! 165? Go to the... Can you... Do not shout!
No more. Go down, now. Go down, now.
Gab is naughty, guys.
Yeah, very.
Okay, now, where are you?
Right here.
Let's go to my house.
Following the arrow.
Where? What arrow? What arrow?
Pets. Wait a minute. I'm adopting a pet.
Adapting?
Yeah.
What adapting? What adapting? Yeah, you need to feed it until it grows, until it's gonna. What's this catch? Or hatch? Yeah, hatch. That. Indeed. I'm gonna check in my backpack or that if I have. Oh, this one. I'm gonna feed it to chocolate milk. Eh, feed. Are you not hungry, chocolate milk? Okay, let's go. Can you teleport? Wait. Can you teleport to me, Sheriff? Wait, do not yet. Now, teleport now.
Family home, 200 bucks, multi-bike, only 99 or what things? Okay, no. No! Teleport to me. Nope.
I said teleport. We're gonna go to the house. At the house, my house. We're gonna
Invite the...
invite what?
Wait, wait a minute.
Let's go to my house, okay? I'm accepting this player. I think it's I don't know. We're going to my house. This is my house. Hi to the people of Adopt Me. This one. Yes, this is the one.
This one?
No, this one, the big one. Joe, come here. That's not my house. I'm poor. This is my house.
I'm hungry.
Who? Who said? Who said?
My Aggie.
My egg. Your Aggie?
Yeah.
Go to. I'm gonna give you an item. Wait. You cannot. Do not move. Okay? Because I'm gonna give you an item. I'm giving you the pizza. Then feed it. I'm gonna let Labrador take Did you feed him?
Yeah.
He's eating but no mouth. Is he sleepy? He's post 10 already. My chocolate milk. Post 10. Is he sleepy?
It's full. Woohoo.
Hey, is he sleepy?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna buy something for.
Your house is so small.
Yeah, because it's still a family. Wait, I cannot do it.
Go to my house.
You can, but
How?
I don't do it. Oh, there, stuffs. Stuff. I cannot buy. I cannot buy it. Wait, how is this? Build with friends?
No, where's my house?
Don't go to your house because your house is super small. I'm telling you.
I know.
It's super small.
Where is my house? Sasuke?
There, about E. Add builder. Add.
Why did you go to my house?
What retrieve budget?
Why I didn't go to my house?
I'm gonna move this chair there. And this chair there. And now, time for. Where's Chocolate Labrador? Or he's here. Where are you? In your house? Where are
Where's my
you?
house? You're fighting my house.
I don't know where are you. I'm gonna teleport to you. Okay?
Where's my house?
And go. You're in the next. Oh, you're just so close. You're finding your house? Come.
Where?
Come.
Wait, the arrow's missing.
Come.
Wait, the arrow's missing.
Kim. Kim. Come here. Where's that house? Because I'm gonna find your house. Come. Teleport. Where's your Sheriff Gamig house? Where is your house? Where's your house? Come! Where are you? Oh, here. Sheriff Gamig's house. You can see it. There's when you scroll up, like you zoom, there's like home like this. You can see your house there. Your house is super ugly, super small, and the things are ugly. You need to buy something, but I already spent mine. Spend. Look, guys, when I jump, cool. Bye. Where I'm gonna feed my doggy to the what's this called? I forgot what it's called. We're gonna buy ice cream. Yum yum. Joke. We're going to the pizza. Is your egg? Is your egg good? What is she? Is she a cat or something? What?
Let me see. Great? No. Sure, let me see. It's still unhatched. Look, it's hungry. It's thirsty. It needs to go to the school. We need to get. You need to get her.
Everything the assignments is for your doggy. My doggy is hungry. He needs also he is thirsty. We're going. Oh, he's sleepy.
You need some sleep.
Mine too. Even my friend. Wait, where's the house? Lala, come here. Oh, you. Invite family. Family. All. Please, please. Cutie pie. Oh, cool. Frost. I wish I have legendary. Cool. Houses now are so cool. I'm gonna buy a house, a bigger one.
How?
I don't know. Buying? But it's so expensive.
How much?
Like 400, 5, 6, like this. Whoa, the biggest. 8,000 only? A millionaire mansion. How much is it? No thanks. I'm gonna go to home. Oh, where are you?
My house. What are we gonna do with this?
Egg?
No, gingerbread.
Nothing. I don't know what to do with this too. Comment down below, guys. We don't know how to do this. We don't know what's this gingerbread doing.
Yeah.
But I just like it. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get into. I hate you!
We want to eat some more nips.
Nips! Nips, guys, nips. Wait, is that a baby? Cool.
I'm hungry.
Frost is hungry. Ah, Frost, chocolate milk. Oh no, no. Fish. What's this called?
Can you give me 2 needles because Gab bring my needles downstairs.
Hey, you run into me. Sheriff, wait. Where is the arrow going?
Right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Mine too. Navigating. I need a shower. Buy a coffee. Feed. He's drinking. Let's go. Gab, what happened?
Oh, ito po yata.
I'm gonna kill you. Whoa, an owl. He's rich.
Give Gab.
Wow, he's so rich, guys. Look. Wait, is that a rich? Or no? I don't. No.
JB, give Gab some nips. Over. Over.
He's hungry again? Let's go to the hot spring. We're gonna go to the hot spring later. Let's go. I'm gonna need you to wash your head. Chocolate milk. I need to wash your head. So this is part 1, guys. Bye bye. Sheriff.
Bye, guys.